Be sure to check out the full feature video on how to cook a turkey for this turkey gravy recipe.
Bacon here first. Beautiful. Leaving that nice skin intact. Out here we've got onions. For the turkey that we did, there's a lemon. You pour this back in. Add back in. Chop. Chop. Excellent. In. Okay, I'm just going to reduce this by half. Again, a Gordon Ramsay recipe along with how to cook a turkey with this gravy is just absolutely out of this world right now. Mash everything down so we can extract all of the flavors from everything that's in there. I'm going to taste this again. Oh, that is delicious. Triple boom for Gordon Ramsay. Wow. This smells just delicious as ever. Wow. Boom! And another sprig of rosemary. Finish it off with some chopped walnuts.